Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Charge the Samsung A05 to at least 50% and connect it to a PC. If settings is accessible, enable USB debugging. If locked, proceed anyway. Once done, power the phone off, then press volume down plus power to enter download mode so Odin can communicate with the bootloader. You're preparing the device and host computer so flashing tools can write a clean system image. This avoids partial flashes that brick devices. You'll now replace the system partition to remove MDM hooks. In Odin, load the correct firmware parts, app BLCP, and use the CSC file for a full device reset. Select Auto Reboot and F. Reset time. Then press Start and wait patiently. Do not unplug the cable or interrupt power. This writes stock Samsung software, which typically removes enterprise profiles. Once Odin shows pass, the phone will reboot into a freshly installed system without MDM binaries. After reboot, complete Android setup and confirm corporate profiles are gone. If management returns, it may be server-side. Make sure remote enrollment wasn't enforced via accounts. Remove any corporate Google account and factory reset again if needed. If the phone enters a boot loop, boot recovery mode and wipe cache. If that fails, re-enter download mode and reflash using a compatible CSC or a combination firmware to restore partitions fully. This final clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.